gentlemen, I would like to welcome you all to the leisure. The throwing of the Great Savoury Snack Brigade. You see the crowds? You see the snacks? What's your line, motherfuckers? I'm not Spanish, but unos, dos, tres,
Wait a minute,
cuatro! That's how I roll, motherfucker.